Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MissVeeLondon, and I'm back again for another video. Obviously you've seen the title of the video, and today I'm going to be doing a designer handbag, more like unbagging as opposed to unboxing, and you'll see why I say unbagging in a minute. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, hey, what's up girl, what's up guy, whoever it is that's coming through, I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure that if you're new though, that you hit that subscribe button, okay? Because we're on our way to 5,000 subscribers, and I'm so happy for each and every one of you that have been rocking with me and sticking with me from the jump, okay? This is just the beginning, and I've got so much for you guys. So just make sure that you hit that like button, because remember, the like button is like a hey girl as you step into the house, okay? So just like ring the doorbell and let me know that you're here by clicking that like button. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first of all, do you like this shirt? Like this shirt, I think, have I shown this shirt before? I don't know. It's a H&M shirt. It's a nice slinky material shirt. If you like it, I will link it down below. This video is kind of an impromptu video because yesterday I went out shopping with my daughter, and I was like, you know, just looking through shops, so not going out to buy anything in particular at all, and then ended up in TKMAXX. Now, some people, like for instance my mum, she is really good at shopping in TKMAXX. Like she can go in there, she can find some really good bits, but I always go in TKMAXX and I think, what is this? Like, it just, to me, I know it sounds bad, I know that there's really good stuff in there, but it always just looks like a complete mess to me, and I don't know how to shop like that. But for some reason yesterday I was on some kind of, I don't know, I was on my A game with the shopping, and I thought I'm just gonna go in there and have a look. But this particular range, their bags just look good to me, you know, so I picked it up. So here's the bag, TKMAXX, okay? And the reason why I've called this video kind of like bougie on a budget is because the brand is Moschino. It's coming to the point where it's like a vintage kind of brand, in terms of the fact that when I was younger, Moschino was big. There was a lot of different Moschino things, and things were really expensive. They had perfumes, like everybody was wearing Moschino clothes, things like that. And then it kind of died down a little bit. This particular bag, I couldn't leave it. I just could not leave it. I'm gonna show it to you. So it's supposed to retail for £175. Okay, so again, if you're looking for a designer handbag, but you don't want to spend Chanel money, you don't want to spend Goyard money, you don't want to spend Yves Saint Laurent money, like you don't want to spend that kind of money, this particular bag is going to be something that will look dope, but it's going to cost you a teensy wincy fraction of the price. Our price is, can you see, $59.99. Yes. Okay, so let me show you the bag. Boom! Here is the bag. I just think this bag is gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie, like, so it's got this little tag on it here that says Love Moschino, and I know there'll be some people that just don't like Moschino or don't consider it to be like a high-class brand or whatever, but we're talking about how you can style a bag. Moschino is a designer, okay? Whether you like it or not is a whole different thing, but you can find some pieces that look dope. Like this resembles a lot of the really high-end designer handbags that are out at the moment, and this color is gonna pop against every outfit that you can think of, okay? An all black outfit, an all white one, black and white, red outfit, loads of things, leopard print or cheetah, something like that. This is going to pop, okay? So let's have a look at it. I'll get rid of the plastic. It's like unwrapping a birthday present or something, and it's not even my birthday, so I know I shouldn't really be spending money like that, but you only live once, right? YOLO, as Drake said. Girl, what you talking about? Okay, so you've got these straps. Now, you've seen a lot of handbags that have these types of straps. Even some of your high street brands, they have these types of handles. If you are not a gold person, you probably won't like the gold, but I feel like the gold just pops it off, and it's classic Moschino in terms of these types of bags as well. So it's got this really nice, not too shiny, okay, because some of the cheaper bags will have gold handles like this, but they'll be so plastic looking. This doesn't look plasticky, okay, this looks like gold. Really good quality handles, stitched to perfection, okay. Really nice quality there. And you can either wear it with the two straps there, or you can wear it as an across the body, and I'll try to get up and show you guys what it looks like. Now, the good thing that I like about this bag is that the Moschino logo isn't too big. It's small. I'm not somebody who likes things to be, like designers to be splashed all over. Like, that's just not my style at all. So the fact that it's got just the little tiny Love Moschino there, and it's got this like these two stitched hearts, which are obviously classic Moschino there. Fantastic. This bag is just well made. Let me just tell you, it's like a satchel type style, okay. Inside, when you open it up, again, this kind of lever runs right the way through. Inside of the bag, you've got a dust bag, which is always good. Any design, I would say to you ladies, if you have designer handbags and it comes with a dust bag, use the dust bag. I am terrible. I've got my Louis Vuitton somewhere sitting on the floor, but you should really use the dust bags if you're not using your bag, just to keep them looking good, okay. So I love the fact that it's got this. Now, if you have a look on the inside, it's got Love Moschino, and it's got this really nice brown satin finish on the inside. Can you see that? Like, that is can you say melanin? That is some really nice lining on the inside. Also, if you look here, I don't know if you'll be able to see, inside there it's got like a gold disc that is basically got the Moschino logo on it as well, so that's good. Now, obviously, this bag is completely, it doesn't have any like separators or anything in there, so you can literally just put everything in. If you wanted to buy like a small separator to keep your things like more organized, or a little in pocket or something like that, you could find those from anywhere, okay? And you can just put it inside if it would help you to kind of keep your things organized inside your bag. Just here is another little flap here, which, what is in here? What is in there? Okay, so it's got some more little cards, little Moschino card, and a little cards there as well that basically says, congratulations on your choice. This item is manufactured in the best quality materials, handmade, blah 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 blah. Okay, so and it tells you that it's leather, so it's kind of like an authentication card as well. So, you know, if it's something that you wanted to keep or you wanted to resell, maybe keep these types of things as well if you wanted to do that. So yeah, in there I would say that you could definitely get like your cards in there, your what's your identity cards or anything if you're going out and you want to make sure that they're kept safe. I'm actually super pleased. I don't care what none of y'all say. I feel like this is a really good quality handbag. So if you are on a budget, ladies, if you're on a budget, or guys, if you're looking for something for your missus and you are on a budget, because, you know, times are hard. Like, we don't want to necessarily be spending untold amounts of money on designer handbags, but you still want to look good. Go to somewhere like TKMAXX, get the markdown items, style it up, and make yourself feel really good. I really hope that you guys liked this type of video. If you do like this type of video, definitely, like I said, hit the doorbell, hit that like button on your way in, on your way out. Just let me know that you guys were here. Let me know that you enjoyed this video. Yeah, definitely subscribe and make sure that you stay tuned for my next video, because I've got so many videos that are coming. And yeah, I really love you guys. You guys are dope. Like, you guys are honestly dope. Make sure that you follow me on my Instagram, because I'm always over there posting all kinds of things, and it gets, you know, it gets popping over there. So make sure that you hit me up over there as well in my DMs or whatever it is, and we can have a chat. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning.